Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the dancemoon brand pet hair removal tool. We're going to open this up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying. All right, so as we get this out of the box, it's very specific about pulling. Really nice presentation here. Sometimes things are just thrown together. This looks like it's been pretty well thought out. So as you pull this out, you'll find kind of the other part to this, which is kind of neat. Confusing a little bit, but just read your tags. Something I'm usually never good at. And this will simply screw right in, and then it'll close back up. And so read your instruction manual on the keys on utilizing this thing, but I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory for the most part. Easy to store, really nice looking. So let's test it out a little bit. So all we're going to do is just go back and forth with this. And I know it kind of seems like it's kind of a silly concept, but really all it's doing is going forward and backwards, and while it's doing that, it is storing all the stuff in there. So makes for an easy clean out, because you're just literally just going to pull this out and get a feel for all the dust, all the hair, all that stuff. It's just going to, again, just be forward backwards is real simple. If you want to go a couple times and then just go forward, that will bring it, so that all the stuff comes up, and then as you push, it's going to bury it into the storage area. So this thing, as you can tell, after just a couple cleanings, very helpful. So to me, this kind of thing is totally worth buying. I love the storage capability where you can literally just take this back off and then pop that in for storage. And of course, the easy clean. My dog approves. So hopefully this review helped, and thanks for watching.